If you're having trouble enabling multiplayer in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game with your friends. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. Check the official website or documentation for the necessary specifications. Step 2. Update game and drivers. Make sure that CS2 is updated to the latest version. Additionally, update your graphics drivers and any other relevant software to ensure compatibility. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher and navigate to the CS2 settings. Use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewalls or antivirus programs can block multiplayer connections. Check your firewall settings to ensure that CS2 is allowed through, and consider temporarily disabling your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Restart and reconnect. After making the necessary adjustments, restart your computer and relaunch CS2. Try connecting to a multiplayer server again to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to enable multiplayer in CS2 successfully. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!